As the global COVID-19 pandemic continues to transform our community, I'd like to recognize the resilience of our team and the generosity of our supporters.
We are very fortunate, our family, to be in a position to support a number of East End charities like the hospice. We frequently hear from families. Overwhelmingly, we hear people sing the praises of the institution. It makes us proud to be affiliated. So none of the organizations that we're involved in are able to have their grand parties this year, as you're not as well. I think the important point is to reach out to our supporters and let them know that the need goes on, even though the party has to be canceled, and that more than ever, we need the support of our town and our community.
Thank God we had hospice care to allow for some of these patients to be cared for in a hospice-like manner. And in Canis, the doors were always open. We took care of terminally ill patients, and whether they had COVID or suspected COVID, they were treated humanely. They were treated with contact. We used precautions here, but our nurses were always there to take care of the patients. The patients were never alone, and they would never pass away alone.
When we first learned that COVID-19 had reached our community, we very quickly implemented our response plan. We procured safety equipment and PPE for all of our staff to make sure they could safely deliver care. We gave our nurses and social workers the technology to conduct virtual visits to enhance our care during these difficult times. We altered almost every aspect of our operations to make sure that we could provide the expert, compassionate care that we provide to all of our patients, even during these unprecedented times.
You've sustained hospice for nearly 30 years now. As we embarked on our new ventures, whether it be the founding of Camp Good Grief in 1997 or the opening of the Canis Center for Hospice Care in 2016, you have been there for us, and for that we are forever grateful. Your donations are improving the lives of people in our community. We have also introduced new support for families who have lost loved ones to the coronavirus and for healthcare workers themselves. Luckily, Camp Good Grief will open this summer, so we can once again focus on the therapy these children desperately need after losing a loved one. Where the staff provides a really special and caring environment for bereaved children at such a difficult time in their lives. It is truly a magical place.
Looking ahead, our team is energized with a sense of purpose. Each of you stood with us. You encouraged us with your words and actions, and continued to show us that East End Hospice is valued in our community. And your support allows us to care for patients and their families at no cost to them. We are honored to do this work, and we are grateful to have your support. Thank you.